Okay, very good afternoon to everyone. As I have been introduced, I am Dr. Armaan U, Muzaddadi, Principal Scientist and Head of Transfer of Technology Division. And I am working here in ICAR-Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology. This is an ISO 9001 certified institute. And we are looking after the post-harvest technologies and different techniques and methods we are developing and refining here. So first of all, I'll just introduce my institute, and because at the outset I'd like to just say that because this topic is a very vast topic, like preservation and valuation of agricultural perishables, here each and every component of perishable needs several lectures to finish all its aspects. So I'll be just giving a glimpse of all the major perishables, and I'll be focusing on the activities what we did, our institute has been doing, and the technologies I'll be just emphasizing those technologies, because it will not be possible to cover each and everything under this topic within half an hour. So if somebody has special interest, they can ask separately, and I can explain, or I can keep it for later explanation. So this is the institute. Our institute, in short, we call it CFET, Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering Technology. We have a very, not very big institute. We have one more station, head office is at Ludhiana, Punjab, and one regional station is there, Punjab itself, about 200 kilometers away. The place name is Abohar. And in this particular picture, you have photography. You can see these are this is the almost covering 2 buildings and workshop, and all the backside. You can see the different buildings having pilot plants and other things. So this is the institute was established with a mandate of these 2 mandates: research on post-harvest processing, preservation, storage, and value addition of agricultural commodities. As today's topic itself is our first mandate: human resources and entrepreneurship development in post-harvest engineering and technology. These are the 2 major mandates of our institute. And the institute was established in 1989 in the campus of Punjab Agricultural University. So since then, we have been working on the post-harvest technology. So these are some research and areas where we are focusing on: research and development, quality, safety, refinement, revalidation, automation and sensors, mass production and testing, collaboration, HRD, and knowledge repository. These are our main areas which now we have the prioritized work, like processing machineries. We develop technologies, then value addition, then technologies for better utilization of crop residues and byproducts, environmental control system structure. Then in quality and safety also, we have laboratories to test different quality parameters and safety parameters. Then refinement and validation. Mostly we do reverse engineering, you can say, or if some machinery is required in our scenario, in Indian scenario, and the machine is available abroad, foreign countries, then we can take the model and we can refine it or adapt it to our requirement, and we develop machines. Then automation and sensors is the recent addition to our institute, where we are working on making different methods automatic by using sensors and AI. And mass production and testing also we are doing. Then collaboration, we have collaborated with different institutes like IITs, state agricultural universities, and other universities, and we are working to develop different technologies. Coming to processing of primary processing or basic processing aspects. we have a model called Agro Processing Center. In short, it is called APC. Agro Processing Center is a concept which was developed by our institute to familiarize or you can say to make it acquainted with the village scenario mostly, because in villages mostly the farmers, they are not very acquainted or very you can say trained in different processing parts. That's why they sell their produce raw, unprocessed, or even not even cleaned or graded, and they get a very low price. That's why this is a concept where we established small processing units in different areas, mostly in village areas, where in a particular single center, we used to install different types of processing machineries, mostly primary processing or secondary processing machineries. So you can see this is a model FPC where we have installed different types of processing machineries, where the farmers can come with their produce and they can get their produce processed and get a better price. And this will be charged very marginal price, only the running cost. So a model FPC is having 200 to 300 square yard area, and machines used in common FPCs are mini rice mill, baby oil expeller, small atta chakis, that means wheat chakis with processing, and large atta chakis with scoring machine, masala grinder, penja, pulse cleaner, and feed mill. These are a few machines we establish in the FPCs, but it depends on the particular area or a geographical, geo-agricultural area. Based on the major agricultural produce, the machineries composition may be different. Like where the viticulture is more, we'll put a bigger rice mill. Where the production of wheat is more, we'll put a very medium-sized atta chakis. Capacity will be more. Like well, the areas where the oil seeds are produced more, there will automatic or somewhat bigger capacity oil expeller will be installed like that. So this is a big concept. Now we have given a proposal to our Minister of Agriculture to establish at least one FPC in each districts of our country. So these are some machineries, technologies you can say, for cereals processing of cereal crops. So first, this is maize processing for utility. Small, these machines are developed for the farmers only, with a very cheaper rate, so that the farmers can afford to purchase and keep it there in their yards and do the processing. So this is maize processing, maize shelling machine and shelling automatic. Only 20,000 rupees it costs. Then civet maize desarmer. This costs again 20,000 rupees for maize processing. Then low cost flour mill is there, very small, only 10,000 rupees it costs. Then polisher dehusker for rice, capacity is 400 to 500 kg per hour, 25 lakh rupees the price. Similarly, maize dehusker, we have thresher cum parlor is there, millet processing pilot plant is there. So these are very basic processing methods for cereals and mainly cereal crops, by which the farmers can earn little more money. Next is the technologies for the processing of pulses and oilseeds. For pulses, we have some PDKB. These are for cereals only. To the screen, I have not explained these machines. This PDKB mini dal mill. This is a very popular machine now in India, and Government of Odisha has given 50% subsidy for purchase of this machine. Like this, Government of India also has given some subsidy for this, so that it can be popularized among the farmers in the village level. So it is a very excellent machine. Its efficiency is very high, and cost is again minimal, you can say, within 1.1 lakh, around 2 lakh, you can say, up to the supply level, packaging and transportation included. It will cost around 2 lakh rupees, and it is very excellent machine, can be installed in the yards of farmers. Next is sunflower dehuller. This machine for sunflower dehulling and subsequent oil expel process, this is used. Then these are two oil expeller machine. You can see cost is 4 lakh, and only this machine costs only 75,000 rupees. So this can be used for production of oil, using any oil seed, mainly sunflower or mustard or groundnut. So these are some machines. Like we have another aspects where we do mechanization of traditional technology. Like in Punjab, this wadi making is done by hand, and it takes a lot of time, and the precision is not very good in hand making, manual making. So we have developed this mechanized traditional technology that is automatic wadi making machine. So these are the wadis. And coming to this a very important topic, that is makhana. Makhana is a foxtrot, which is very highly produced in the Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and northeastern part of India. So makhana is having very high medicinal value. Earlier, this makhana was harvested manually, and its popping part and other processing part was very difficult and laborious. So ICAR-Central took the lead and developed all the processing lines, starting from harvesting, then popping, grading, packing, and value addition. So these are the makhana processing. Like pilot plant, we have one established, and in Bihar there are several pilot plants established, where makhana is now a product that is being exported, because it has a very high demand in the export market also, and even in Indian domestic market also, because it has some medicinal property and highly cost. This is a cryogenic grinding machine developed by CFED, where the machine is used to grind the spices. Like in the traditional grinding machines, where chakkis or some other techniques are used, where heat is generated. And when heat is generated, the volatile components, which gives the smell and flavor of the spices, most of its part is lost. So ICAR-Central developed this cryogenic grinding machine, through which if you grind the spices, it's all volatile components will be retained in the spices, and it has a very good quality. And this machine costs somewhat 15 lakh, and its capacity is 30 to 50 kg per hour. So not only in cereals and pulses, the CFED is also working on other like fisheries and in animal science based products. So in CFED we have developed for live fish carrier system, because the fish, when they are harvested from pond or river, mostly the freshwater fish, after harvesting they die, and they are processed by icing and other primary processing, and gradually the quality is reduced. The spoilage starts in the flesh and the quality is reduced, and this fish fetches very low price in the market. So the farmers, they wanted to carry the fish from pond to market in live condition. So they approached us, and we developed a system for live transportation of fish, where the fish can be transported for about 50 to 100 kilometers or more than that, and fish will not die. So during live fish will fetch more price. So this is the system we have developed. This is a prototype, and we have a better technology now. Then in the markets, there are some fish markets mainly. The processing of cutting and degutting of fish is very ugly, and its waste creates very unhygienic conditions surrounding the surrounding area. So to tackle that problem, we have developed this fish cleaning station or waste collection station, where we can during processing all the wastes, solid waste and liquid waste will be collected in closed containers, and that will be time to time disposed. And these are some hand tools we have developed to remove the scales from the fish skin. This is the live fish carrier system, different parts, and this is the modern. Now we have developed it is almost automatic system where just fish is released and there is nothing to be done, and it can be carried. And now in Tamil Nadu, several units have been given. The CSR fund of ICICI Bank they have utilized, and they procured this system and given in Tamil Nadu. Farmers are using this system. So this is very efficient, and everything has been taken care of here that keeps the fish alive. So this is, I have already told you about this hygienic fish dressing cum waste collection system that is very much required in the present fish market and all for fish processing. This is the tool. And coming to other part like sugarcane and honey processing, this part also we have developed different standardized techniques like chemical free zagari, dyes, and zagari molding frame, cooling pan. These are all developed, and several in Punjab itself, many people have adopted this technology, and they are producing zagari. And honey processing is again a very very tedious process and lengthy process. Here also we have advised given the technology where all the machines are not developed by us. The machines are developed by other institutes like this honey processing unit is developed by PA, Punjab Agricultural University, and this storage tank by us, then bottling unit by some other. We have made the processing line and provided to the farmers. Then coming to protein and pectin production from using processing waste. This is a very big topic where everybody in our central government also they are asking for utilizing the waste. Well, waste to wealth. So here we are utilizing the cakes like a groundnut well cake or citrus fruit peel. From groundnut well cake, we can produce different types of proteins. This is a plant we have developed, and it is successfully running in our institute. But this is used to, you can just extract the protein from the groundnut, and that can be used as protein supplement in baby food or any other food. This is a machine with which we can extract the pectin. That is again pharmaceutically it is important a product that can be used, and it is extracted from the peel of kinnu, one citrus fruit. It can be extracted, and it is a very small and low cost machine. Only 1.5 lakh it costs. Then non-destructive quality evaluation, sanitization, disinfection related things we have developed. Like this is a machine with which you can just check the ripeness of mango and or any other fruits by just touching the tip on it. You can see the figures. Then this is a testing kit to detect adulterants in the selected spices. Kit we have detected. Then this some sanitization equipments. And so ICAR-Central developed process gives a solution to minimize the strong nutty flavor generation during the course of Hello. So ICAR-Central developed processes like preparation of peanut paneer and peanut milk. It is a very small plant. By using that, you can just make a peanut milk and peanut paneer. This is very popular technique now, and given to many entrepreneurs. They are preparing. You can see these are commercially produced peanut paneer and milk. So it is everybody knows that some people are not tolerant of lactose, sugar, or normal animal cow milk or buffalo milk. So this milk can be easily digested, and the products also can be easily digested for any person, starting from a kid to a elderly person. They can digest these products easily. So it is going very fast to the market. So here is a machine which is mechanization of fruit bar preparation. Fruit bar like jamun bar, guava bar, mango bar. These are some valued products which can be prepared using this machine without touching by hand. So, and it is automatized, and the machine is costing only 1.6 lakh. Then these are some machines like primary processing of green pea depoting machine. Green pea, you can just remove the peas from this green pea nuts. So this is again amla means amla grader and peeler cum juice extractor composite. We have this machine. Then amla shredder. These are all related to amla product, like amla candy and other things we can prepare. And before that, this primary processing has to be done using this. Then we have a machine called pomegranate aerial extractor, because pomegranate aerials are difficult to remove as such. And we have prepared one hand tool to remove. It is to be used maybe in domestic use purpose. And this machine can be used for commercial purpose, with which you can extract the pomegranate aerial, and subsequently the juices or any other products can be used, like anardana. One has product we have developed that is for digestion. Then minimal processing of vegetables also. This is a primary handling and processing of vegetables. Full processing line we have, where the vegetables how to clean, grade, then for giving a longer shelf life and to ready to cook products. So that full process is there. Just after cleaning, how to grade them, then package them and store them. All processing line is ready. So this is very useful for the vegetables. Mostly, like recently we have faced the high price of tomatoes. Tomatoes also can be packed like this and can be kept in fridge for a longer time, and just open it and use for cooking. These are CPET tomato grader and shrink packaging of fruits and vegetables. These are some simple methods by which the shelf life of the vegetables and fruits can be increased. Storage life will be increased. Even they will be safe for consumption also, because they will be having a ray around, and the chances of contamination during handling and transportation is not there. It is properly packaged. So this shrink packaging and fruits, vegetables, all automatic system has been developed. And these are some compact food grading machine. This I have talked about, this spice cryogenic grinding machine. Then bale or wood apple pulper. This is a machine for wood apple. This is the first machine in India we have developed, because bale is a very Ayurvedic recommended product, which is very healthy fruit for our stomach, and recommended by doctors also. but it is very difficult to extract its pulp. So this is a machine we have developed, completely full SS stainless steel, food grade steel based, and the bales, the wood apple can be automatically processed here to remove its pulps. These are some equipments, tools for use in the garden itself, for harvesting or grading. In the farm gates, it can be used very easily. Small techniques, but it is very effective for keeping the quality of foods. While while during harvesting, the food may fall down in the ground, and it may get injuries, which will reduce its shelf life. So these techniques keeps the quality intact. These are some value-added products from different fruits like amla, candy, then guava bar, different types of guava bars, then dried anardana. Anardana means the pomegranate areas, which are dried and packed. Then these are canned bear fruits. Bear means this palm. Fruits are this seed is removed and then canned. Then green chili based products like puree, green chili puree, green chili powder is this technology we have. You can make it, and these are ready to use intermediate products for preparation of different products. Then pomegranate jelly and grenadine is prepared for these are used like mouth freshener. Anardana again used as mouth freshener and for enhancing digestibility. This is a rose petal jam. Based on the rose petal, we have prepared this jam, very tasty and having some medicinal value also. And these are dried onion flakes. That is a very very good technology, which can be used for giving a better price to the onion, because during the plant production, onion price goes down even to 1 rupees per kilo or 2 rupees per kilo. So during that time, this product can be prepared and sold for the future use. Here, automated fumigation chamber for grapes fumigation. Grapes are required to be fumigated to stop their ripening and spoilage. So here, APEDA based some project we undertook, and in the district of Nasik, Maharashtra, we have demonstrated different types of processing methods for fumigation and sanitization of different storages and other things. So this method technology again standardized. Then coming to research priorities, we have a different type of research priorities where many researches are going on. At present, we are doing one automatic development of robotic arms and robots to harvest apple in Srinagar, for Srinagar Agriculture University and SOCUST, Srinagar, and our institute and CDEC Kolkata. Commonly, we are developing robotic arms for the harvesting of apple. So many works are going on. These are some priorities, and these are some management priorities like pilot plans, technology, documentation, business meet, other things we are regularly organizing. And shortly we are going to organize this one, CFET IFA, that is Industry Interface Fair on Agro-Processing and Kisan Mela. We are going to organize this event during 3rd, 4th, and 5th of October 2023, next month. So here we are inviting all the stakeholders, including farmers, entrepreneurs, machine manufacturers, all, and giving a platform to interact. Like you can see here, exhibition showcasing technologies like all foods, vegetable, grain, pulses, nuts, oilseed, jaggery, honey, all range of agricultural products, including fruits and veg and non-veg products, also meat, poultry, fish, spices. Everything is covered here. So it will be a very mega event here. And we have started this event since two years back. So here stalls are available. Anybody can hire a stall and exhibit their products and technology. And mainly we'll be showcasing our technology plus the technologies developed by different ICAR institutes and SAUs, state agriculture universities. So those technologies will be given live demonstration in front of the interested entrepreneurs and farmers. So I'm using this platform again to just invite, if somebody is interested, they can come and have the experience. So here we are going to organize so many events like showcasing of processing equipment, showcasing of processed products, then live demonstration of machines. There will be Kisan Goshti, that means seminar, business promotion, startup promotion, so many things are included. So anybody is interested, they can just go to this event website and find all the details. Thank you very much. That's all. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Armaan, for the detailed presentation. I will take up some questions. 1 second. Okay, so the first question is, how do farmers typically prepare their land for planting crops?
Actually, my topic is post-harvest. Planting crops is again a cultivation side. Actually, we don't look after that area. Production side, we don't look after. Our work starts after the harvesting. So that part, I am not an expert to give the answer.
Okay, no problem. So next question, what are the key challenges individual farmers face in modern agriculture?
Yeah, that can be taken up. That is a good question, Sivan. In modern agriculture, gradually farmers are distracted from agriculture. They are just living this. The most biggest difficulty is they don't have control over the price of their own products. Like in other textile industries and other any industries, you can see they produce their products and they fix the price of the product by their own. That if they produce a shirt, if the production cost is 300, they will fix 1,000 rupees of its price, MRP. But farmers don't have right to fix the price of their own product. That's why when they produce the products, though government has given some stabilization system like MSP and all, they are not helping so much. That is honest thing, and that is the fact which is going on. That's why I am dealing with different farmers from the country, different parts of the country, like Maharashtra, Rajasthan. They are coming here to take trainings, and we used to have frequent discussions about this. So biggest problem is this. Otherwise, for cultivation, technology, for production and other things, everything is in place. People are having everything. But our marketing chain, value chain is to be improved, to give a sure shot income to the farmers. That is the major problem. The other problems are not very big. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible now.
Yeah.
So you could listen to the question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've given the answer also. Did you listen?
Okay, the next question was, can you explain the role of crop rotation in sustainable farming practices?
This is again not of my cup of tea.
Okay.
Because this area is we are not dealing with.
Achha.
We are dealing just after this post-harvest handling, processing, and other things.
Okay. And how does climate change impact the decisions of agri-entrepreneurs in crop selection?
So again, this is the same problem. I'll request the audience to restrict to the post-harvest area, processing part. Those things, again, this is cultivation part, agronomy.
Okay.
Crop protection, like that is a different subject.
Okay. And
Madam, I'll advise you will keep, because many questions are coming on that side, you can give a separate lecture from other institute of ICAR Institute, any expert can take.
Okay, sure. What technologies are agri-entrepreneurs adapting to increase farm productivity?
Farm productivity, again, it is different, but I can give a little bit this thing. For increasing farm productivity, always we are going for using advanced technology like fertilizer, mainly fertilizer, irrigation, and nowadays it is coming this drip irrigation type of things. So the areas where the rain, where farmers are not dependent on rain, they are going for drip irrigation to utilize every drop of water for irrigation purpose. That will give them this thing, you can say, savings, because they will not be spending money for the water that is not utilized by the plant. Because in the traditional system, that is inundated system, flooding system irrigation, where a lot of water is evaporated or percolated to the ground, that is not utilized by the plant, and that was big amount to the farmer. So in drip irrigation, each drop is utilized by the plant. So the energy is saved, money is saved, and farmer gets better income. So they can move towards drip irrigation. Many parts of India, it has come already. In Maharashtra, many parts it has come. Okay?
Yeah, okay. And what financial support is available for individual farmers to invest in their farms?
There are so many schemes, government schemes are there. Like presently, some loans are also given. RKBY, Rashtriya Gramin and Krishi Vikas Yojana is there. Then each and every bank, they have different schemes to give the farmers funding. So that is the system. But actually, particularly if you see, things are not very easy to get a loan from a bank, because they will the demand for some mortgage and other things. So that the systems are available. And government system, there are some schemes the farmers can avail that those things by protecting the concerned district agricultural departments, state agricultural departments. They are providing all these schemes, RKBY mainly, Rashtriya Gram and Krishi Vikas Yojana.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so next question. What are the key differences in the business models of traditional farmers and agri-entrepreneurs?
Okay. That is the, you can see that is the essence of this lecture. The agri-entrepreneurs and agri-traditional farmers, the key difference is the traditional farmers, they do not go for processing. They just produce. The products are sold even in the field itself many times. The middlemen or the traders, they come to the field and they just lift, paying the money to the farmers. In traditional system, mostly they do like that, or they do a little bit processing in the farm itself. They don't bring the produce to their home even. They don't even bring. So the agripreneurs, when you say, they are a little bit different. They will have their own processing units. They will have their own packing units. They have the good market knowledge, where when the market will be go high, the price will be high, and who are the main players in the market who can give them better price. So all knowledge, market knowledge, and processing, those parts, they will be trained on those parts, and accordingly they will sell their produce, and they will earn more money. That is the main difference.
Okay. What are the major government policies supporting the growth of agri-entrepreneurship?
Government policies are there, like startups, mainly startups, Make in India, startups. There are many schemes are there, and it is very easy also to get the support from. If you get a training, good training from some institutes, get a certificate, and then you approach banks, and under startup schemes, Make in India schemes, you can just start your own business.
Okay. And what are some innovative marketing strategies employed by agri-entrepreneurs to sell their produce?
Okay, that is again a marketing side, but innovation is like, in my personal experience, I would like to say that the farmers now trying to make some network, like say farmers from Maharashtra and farmers from Punjab. They want to make some network through which they can just exchange their products also. Like some, like Punjab is producing more basmati rice, and Maharashtra is producing, say, millets. So they can exchange their products in a common market. That type of things are being like now enhanced. And the other thing is FPO, Farmers Producer Organization. Now government is giving all these facilities to form the FPOs, Farmers Producer Organization, where 50, 100 or 20, 10 farmers can come together and make a organization, and that will be endorsed by government. And they will get all the facilities from government side, mostly for marketing. Government will find the markets and facilitate them to sell their own produce. So this is a success in Maharashtra, because we have been dealing with many FPOs. They are coming to our institutes to get trainings and all. And other states, it is, I don't know, in the state of Punjab also, it is in initial state only. And many other states which I know, it is not coming up very big way, but if it can be done, FPOs, Farmers Producers Organization, farmers are getting highly benefited through this. Yes.
Yeah. Last question. How can individuals without farming backgrounds transition into successful agriculture-based entrepreneurship?
Okay, so agriculture-based entrepreneurship may be of hundreds of types of entrepreneurship. So there are segments in the agricultural system, starting from the production. In the production itself, many entrepreneurship can be done, like, as I told you, drip irrigation. Drip irrigation itself is a mega activity. So you will have to provide the support to the farmers, the drip irrigation materials, these pipes and sprinklers and other things. So that is one entrepreneurship. You can help the farmers only in the technologically. And during the use of the drip irrigation also, farmers will need continuous help or support from the technicians. So that is one field, and many as far as my knowledge goes, many states it is going on. Again, after production, you can have some this entrepreneurship of making primary processing units. Like if you collect millets, for example, you collect just millets and do cleaning and grading and make a beautiful packaging. And that can be a good remuneration. You can sell it, you can export it even with the good cleaning and grading. Just package it and market it. That is one area. That's why I can cite tens of hundreds of this type of things, which can be done very easily without spending much amount of money or much expertise in it, skill in it. Many areas are there. And if you come to packaging also, many fruits, dry fruits can be packaged nicely and marketed easily. Then you can come making some platforms. As I told you, many farmers can come together and make a platform where their producers can be sold with a very reasonable price. That way, the processing, it can be small scale, it can be medium scale, it can be bigger scale. Everywhere you have opportunity to start an entrepreneurship in the chain, whole value chain of agriculture. So it depends on your interest, which area you want to move into.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Dr. Armaan. I don't see any more questions from our participants. So now we have come to end of question round. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we like to thank you for the detailed presentation and answering all the questions. And we also like to thank all the participants for joining this meeting. The meeting will now be closed.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Thank you.